It's freezing outside. We got flurries, we got ice. So that could only mean one thing: Central Texas style spare ribs. Today I'm going to show you how I made these smoky, tender, pepper forward, savory, delicious, tender, did I already say that? Central Texas style spare ribs. Let's go. Spare ribs. All right, we're going to work fast today because it is freezing out here. Let's get these out of the cryo vac. Make sure you have a sharp knife. All right, let's pat these dry. Makes it easier to work with. All right, trim off any little funny pieces that are hanging off because that'll just burn. A little bit of work to do right there. Not going to go crazy. Leave that. Flip her over. That's the skirt right there. Let's trim that off. That's just going to burn. You can save that for sausage grind if you want to. There we go. Sharp knife is key. I'm just going to score the membrane today. I don't feel like messing with it. Most of the time I take it off, but you don't have to. This will help crisp it up a little bit, actually. And there's a small little bone right there. Let's take that off. Just kind of square this up nice and neat. That's okay. There we go. Not much trimming, Texas style. We're going to start off with 16 mesh ground black pepper. Going to give it a nice layer. Don't be shy. Central Texas style calls for pepper. See that thin piece? I actually missed that. I'm going to trim that off because that'll just burn too. There we go. Let's flip it over. That side. Don't have to go as heavy on that side. That's good. There's some trimming to do right there too. Working too fast, folks. Working too fast. Next, we're going to use some Diamond Crystal kosher salt. Okay, that's good. We're just rocking salt and pepper today. Let's get the smoker fired up. I'm freezing. Cherry wood down the hatch. Oh no, there we go. Well, on the account of it being about 4 degrees outside, it took a little bit longer to get the smoker up to 275, but we're there. Let's go ahead and get these ribs on. Let's go. We'll just let that cherry wood do its thing. We're gonna come back in about 2 hours and see if we need to spritz. Okay, we're 2 hours in. Let's take a look at the ribs, see if we have good color. Oh yeah, those are looking nice. Getting some of that red tint to them. That's from the cherry wood. Let's go ahead and give them a little spritz and flip them over. We're just gonna use some apple cider vinegar and water 50-50. Make sure nothing gets too crispy. There we go. We'll just give them a flip. Hit that side too. And we'll come back in an hour. Okay, it's been another hour. Let's see what we got. Okay, getting some good color on there. Let's go ahead and give it a spritz. We'll flip it once more. It's looking really good. We're going to go ahead and give this side a spritz again and let it go for 1 more hour. All right, back in an hour. So that's what we're looking like. It's been another hour. The snow's starting to fall. You can see it on my foil here. So what we're gonna do is flip these over, but first, oh, it's frozen. Son of a, my trusty squirt bottle's frozen. So we'll improvise. We'll just take the top off. We'll put a little apple cider vinegar and water mixture down. It's gonna help them steam. A little more right here. Okay, we'll call that good. It's really cold out here. Really, really cold. We'll flip these over. Got to be careful about those bones. You don't want them poking through. Like so. Like that. Over and over. And we'll lay it just like this on the smoker. We'll be back in about another hour. All right, folks, it's been yet another hour. I think we're getting really close. Let's take this off and put it on the cutting board. Barbecue in the middle of a snowstorm. It was a good choice. It was a good choice. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Let's flip these over and see what we're looking like. Oh man. We are almost there. We're gonna go ahead. Sorry for all the foil noise. I like Head Country barbecue sauce. There was just a little bit left, so I put some warm water in there. We're gonna use that for our glaze. We're gonna let this set on top of here as opposed to the bottom. So we're gonna do one of these. Okay, get that out of the way. Then we're just gonna kind of foil boat this like so. That's gonna allow that sauce to kind of tack up and get nice and sticky. We're gonna put it back on the smoker for about 20 minutes or so, maybe 30, just depending. Oh, let's get these out of the foil and onto the cutting board. Nice bark, pull back on the bones, look amazing. Can't wait to dig in. Just so I get a better look at how to slice these. I'm not a surgeon. We're gonna go right in the middle. Check that out. Beautiful bark, awesome smoke ring. Let's get a bite. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Let's go. Oh my God. Absolutely amazing. Look at that bite. Perfect. That's incredible. All this takes is time. It's super easy. Just follow exactly what I did in the video. Sorry, talking with my mouth full. Salt and pepper. Thyme. Cherry smoke. 275 degrees. Do it in the snow. Do it in the ice. Do it when it's hot. I don't care. Just do it. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that there bell. It's going to let you know when we upload new videos. I'm freezing my ass off. We'll see you later.